Dear students, an amazing trick is waiting for you. For any triangle ABC, the value of determinant sin square A cot A 1, sin square B cot B 1, sin square C cot C 1. Which of the following options is the value of this determinant? Now, let us apply an amazing trick. Let us assume the triangle is equilateral triangle, and you know, in an equilateral triangle, all angles are 60 degrees. So, let's assume A equal to B equal to C equal to 60 degree. Now, this determinant becomes sin square A, that means sin square 60, that means 3 by 4. Cot A, that means cot 60. Cot 60 means 1 by root 3 and 1. And in this way, sin square B also 3 by 4. Cot B also 1 by root 3, 1, and sin squared C 3 by 4, cot C 1 by root 3 and 1. Now, what is the value of this determinant? You can take common from first column and second column, 3 by 4 and 1 by root 3, and you get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now, you know the value of this determinant is 0. Why? Because if in a determinant two rows or two columns are identical, the value of the determinant is 0. So, it becomes 3 by 4, 1 by root 3 into 0. So, you get 0 here, and A is the right answer.